remember, say, anything hidden will one day come out. Oh, it will come out one day, one day. Tell your wife the truth. Oh.
No. Stop.
What is going on, Sarah? Why are you doing this? Why are you always telling me to stop?
Ebuka, I want you to understand that what happened to me affected me. I am not ready for sex. At least not yet.
Until when? Babe, I have done visually everything for you. I planned a romantic date for you and I. I fixed you up for a therapy. I have promised to change your walk whenever you're ready. What else do you want me to do?
Ebuka, what happened to me is not an easy one. You got me your own therapist, not the one I wanted. She keeps telling you to woo me and buy me beautiful things, but that is not what I want.
Okay, so what do you want?
I want us to talk about this.
You want us to talk about this?
Yes.
Okay. I'm all ears. Let's talk about it then.
My dear, it was awesome. Today was the best day of my life. Just that I was stressed. Honey! Honey!
If you make one more, shh. Shut up. I'm about to take the pilot. Come on, breathe. Come on. Just still. Stop. Check. Still, man, still. I'm about to take it to paradise.
You said you want us to talk about this. I'm waiting.
I can see all the sincerity and love that he has for me. So I could just tell him that I thought that I heard. Maybe I should just let it be like he had said.
Babe, can we talk about this? You said you want us to talk about this.
You know what? I'm sorry. Let's just sleep. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. Let's go to bed. By the time you're ready to talk about this. Here. Let's go to bed.
Men are victims of lies and deception. Some women are victims of impossible expectations. No. They are never right. They are always wrong in the sight of men. They get all the blame. They feel all the pain and shame. Chineke biko zaputanyo. Ewo chukuna biko zaputanyo. Nakumu woke ewo chimo. Fodo wanyi na tafufo. Nakumu woke. Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shame. Ewo obonye kai mejoro. Ewo onye kai mejoro. Ewo ooh.
Have you forgotten what they call you back in school? Okay, keep it on your
Man, forget them, you know. Those guys were household. Big time.
Oh, see. Welcome my wife. Baby. I'm sorry. This one laughing like a cow. Reduce your voice, you'll be laughing anyhow. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
You okay?
Yes.
Morning, beauty. So sorry we woke you up with our incessant noise.
I mean, why wouldn't I be used to that after all these years of knowing you both? So what are we discussing this morning?
Nothing really. We just came across our NYSC pictures, and this fool here has been cracking me up.
Where is that witch? That witch that claims that she wants to close down my husband's lineage because with her witchcraft. Oh, you're here. Don't you come close to me. Can't you greet me from afar? Are we both witches? Eh? You're a witch!
Mama, why are you calling me a witch this early morning?
Oh, I should have called you the witch in the afternoon. Or better still, wait in the night when you have fully manifested your wings to fly in the night. Then I call you a witch. Your name is Witch. And you should be able to answer it anytime, anywhere with pride and happiness.
Mama, I can tolerate everything from you. But I will not tolerate you coming to my house to insult me. I won't.
Did you say house? Come here! You didn't say house? Oh! Is that the plan of your witchcraft? To claim my son's properties while he's still alive? It will not work. Your powers have failed in this one. Where is he, Kem? Don't you know that you should be here? Let me ask you about your so-called husband. Husband, and managing. Idiot, man, manage husband. I'm not going anywhere. I'm sitting down to wait for him. When he comes back, I will tell him how you insulted me. You didn't even allow me to ask you a question.
You guys won't kill me with laughter.
Look at his big head. Nothing really changed. Here his head got bigger and here. Looking like
Nothing changed.
Wait, Luchy, are you the one who brought those pictures?
Yeah, I did.
I thought as much. Because left with him, I would never set my eyes on these pictures.
No, baby, you're trying to put me on the spot now. If I have the pictures, why not? I will show you.
No, you never wanted to show me.
No, baby, I was robbed of one of my bags on my way back to Lagos. If not, what's there? I had loads of pictures, both me teaching in class and... Uche, you remember now?
Oh, that's it. Sure.
She got an award?
Yes, that's the brightest student in my class.
Wow. She was the brightest student in your class? You must be proud of her.
Yeah.
That girl loved you so much. In fact, her whole family worshipped you. Especially when you were taking her on extramural lessons.
Interesting. So, who is this baby girl?
Benita.
Babe, I have to quickly use the restroom. I was actually trying to do it before you came. Excuse me, I won't take long.
Don't forget our days of our resting, you know.
I gave my late husband a son and was prepared to give him more because if not for that accident that affected his spinal cord, I was ready to give him more boys. Yes!
Ma, how would you feel if your mother-in-law accused you of paralyzing her son? How would you feel?
No.
How dare you speak to my mother?
Okay, funny, and no one else was
How dare you ask her such stupid question?
My son, don't worry. I'm here. I will answer you. My wonderful and beautiful mother-in-law couldn't accuse me of such because she knows I am not responsible for the calamity that befell her son. Yes, but for you, you are here on a mission. You want to make sure my son does not have a successor. And for that one, it will not work. Because anyhow, my son must have a male child in this family to succeed him.
But how, Mama? How? I love my husband.
Then why are you changing the gender of the children? I know that all those your pregnancies were male children. But you're using your witchcraft to turn them into female children. It is obvious that your mission here is to make sure that my son does not end up with a male child, doesn't have a successor. But that one has failed. It will not work. Because male child, he must have, as far as more than do.
Mama, since my mission is to change the gender of my children, why don't you use your power to terminate it?
This is the path I've tried to move on from. Why did he have to bring it up again? Oh God.
Benita? That name rings a bell. Where have I heard it before?
Stop it, Luchy. Are you high? Just stop it this minute.
You know, it still smells amazing when you just wake up.
Stop it!
You know, I like it when you hit my arm, you know. You should have been mine by now.
Well, it's too late. Oh, what did you call her name again?
That girl. Benita. I think she died or so. In fact, I don't know what happened to her.
Can you please make something for me to eat quickly?
Yeah, sure.
Man, you look so worried. Hope you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just hungry. The pictures. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, I hope the food is for two.
Come, so you don't have sense?
Eh? What did I do? Are you normal?
What do you mean, what did you do? So as big as your head, that nothing is inside.
Look at her. She's manifesting already. Manifesting her prowess. That is when they done like a pop. My God is exposing you already. My enemies he will expose.
Mama, let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
If I were to be your daughter and that woman is treating me this way, will you support her?
Chloe, you'll never be my daughter. Never will I have a witch as a daughter. Because no daughter of mine will be this wicked and mean as wanting to exterminate her family's name.
Same here, Mama. You can never be my mother. Because no good mother will allow her daughter to go through what I'm going through in your hands.
What exactly am I making you go through? What? Amosu.
Mama, you have never allowed me to have peace in my husband's house. For one day, I do not have peace in this matrimonial home since you came in. Why? What did I do to you?
Why on a way home?
Do you realize you're speaking to my mother? Cleo, don't push me. You're pushing me too hard.
This is woman's inhumanity to her fellow woman.
Freedom fighter. Man's inhumanity to woman. Why don't you go to South Africa? Freedom is coming.
Kim, does your mother realize that I am your wife? Does she?
I did not hit you now, but will eventually. If you don't heed my warnings, make sure you go terminate that thing in your womb you call a female child. I will not repeat myself again. Rubbish.
Hey! She's pregnant again. With a female child. Doesn't. Better than terminate this pregnancy. Better than terminate it. Why you not go to Timu Gisebenine? Eh? What am I going to do? You can make sure she's terminated. But again, I warned you. Have you seen it now? I warned you when it's equal on the mother of this girl. You were headstrong. Have you seen the results? Have you seen it? Oh, it is your fault. It is your fault. I blame you for all this.
Woyo, sai, iyami, kudanga baba si miki banyo sai.
Ini, lower your voice. Are you mad? Ina pola.
Who fix? Emigwe. So you mean say Oka friend kid mine? The all Oka maram, ire oram the kiss for our house. Even she do they enjoy am the for am the do am.
See, Ini, you know say now girlfriend. Him they try force madam, but madam no gree. I see, I no like him. Now so you go come here, come the form fine boy, be fine boy. And as you see him, in hand na super glue. His stingy die. He can never see you for pose like this. Give you anything, you take whole body. No mind now.
Ebigwe, who tell you say you know the sweet madam? It is sweet am. If you know sweet am like that, why you know put some come on? And which one come beyond? I be say the man no they give money. I be na the man na fine man. Which one?
Say this a cook you. So now you they talk to like that. Ini. Oh, because I don't descend so low. Can't they talk with common maid like you? You don't want to respect me, the CSO of this empire. You know the fear.
See. Ebigwe. May not be like say you they insult me for your director. Which one come be see Akwangi sanctiful. Akwangi sang. You know I'm for your back. I don't wouldn't. The way my lady for wooden for wooden. But you right up before most young fear. I'm
Pia Kisina.
I know ya.
It is not fair how some women are treated badly. It is so unfair how some pay for the crime they never committed. Some men
It's me. You okay? It's me, baby. It's me. Do you want to talk about it?
Talk about the name you had mentioned with Uche earlier that has magically shown up in my dream? No.
Do you want us to see the therapist tomorrow?
Yes. Please.
Okay. We'll see her tomorrow. Let's go to bed. Sleep. It's okay. It was just a mistake. Sleep.
Hey, don't forget, anything from the past will come out at last. It may be too late by then, and there'll be regret. Oh, man, take it easy. Okay. Take it easy. Take it.
How are we doing today?
We're fine.
Do you think we are making progress?
Mm-hmm.
So, are you saying your wife is improving, both sexually and emotionally?
Ebuka, you do not have to lie. We both know I am not.
Well, my wife needs more time.
I do not think I need more time.
Please, let us be calm. What is going on? Tell me, I want to know.
What is going on is that my wife needs more time.
But I do not, Ebuka. I do not even understand what is going on. I don't know if I need more time. I don't know if I don't need more time. I don't understand why you refuse to report this incident to the police all this while. I don't know.
But we agreed to this. It's for your own good.
Well,
Are you seriously saying this now?
Mr. and Mrs. Ebuka, please, can you tell me what is going on? Because I don't understand this sudden outburst from both of you.
I think I am acting as a result of my doubts or suspicion, and he's probably acting out of his own fear. Maybe I should just apologize, or better still, remain quiet.
Hey, stop right there. Come here. Yes, never. How dare you walk past here without acknowledging the presence of the CSO of this house? How dare you?
Ebigwe, which one come be CSS? Which one come be CSO this morning?
Edie, I don't say you don't understand anything. You see, it means Chief Security Officer of this house. Yes. And you know, say, now me they secure the whole of this house, including you.
I beg, waiting you secure am. Now this your nose where they wrong, where they go left, right. I mean, now this your waist where on bend like a fish.
So they don't send you to come observe my security protocols in this house. You don't go work for you. Yes, let me tell you, don't go work for you.
Ebigwe, Ekwe, whatever your name is, trouble not retire you. Trouble not retire you.
Oh, When young girl sleep and your trouble go wake him up, you don't know say trouble no dey sleep. When you walk past her, you no greet me. You don't know say you dey trouble.
Come and tell me no. Greet you as what? Greet you as the lion, I mean the elephant, or the one where they give me food make I chop.
Oh.
I don't even get your time this morning. I dey go market because I want buy food where can madam go chop when they come back. I don't get time for this nonsense.
Nonsense.
7 pots.
See, all this time, no, wait, you talk for this place. You go put you for trouble. You go see her. Now me talk her. You go enter trouble. You go enter trouble. You go see her. Go enter trouble first. Hey. I will show you who I be for this house. They say, never guys will name me begin and invite me.
Like I said, the ad boss is not bad at all. But we are not going to make headway with it. At least, respect each other's feelings. Please. Is there anything that happened recently that I need to know?
My wife had a nightmare last night, but she refused to share. And I respect her choice. I'm not going to force her to do what she doesn't want to do. But then I want her to know that whatever thing she's going through, I'm always here for her.
It looks like he's sincere with his words, but that is not just enough for me. I need so much more. But I'm afraid I might end up being an ingrate and ruin our marriage. I don't want that.
Is there anything you're afraid of?
Maybe.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know.
You can talk about the dream you had.
Yeah, of course, you can talk.
This kind place no dey there. But at least by now you suppose don dey civilize. You for the knock. See how you dey make noise, they wake up the whole neighborhood.
Ebikwe, where you go since why they knock this gate till I don't knock the gate, my hand they pay me.
How dare you ask the CSO of this house where you go to? Now you be my boss, now you the pay my salary. Now puana.
I don't talk say na me employ you, but your duty for this house now they open gate for me anytime I go out and come in.
Opening gate kill you there. How dare you ask the whole CSO of this house to open gate for you? Eh?
What for the CSO? You don't tell why free to CSO. You're the farm boss, happy common kid man where you be. No be man like you build this house where you the kid man.
Eh? Not be woman like you marry this kind of where build this house. You dare they do house man. You know the shame. I don't palm.
Me.
Yes.
Me.
Yes.
Me I know the shame.
Yes.
Say you don't want you break it for Karamana. You could
John never. All this incantation when you talk, we go backfire upon you. I know here. I'll show you for this house. You see her.
Baby, you don't kill me with silence. At least talk to me. Say something.
I have nothing to say.
My love, you need time to heal. Tell me what you want me to do for you. I will gladly do it. If you want me to fly you abroad for holidays, I will do it. Anything. Just say something. I need you to be happy again. Anything.
Who is Benita?
Benita. I don't know what you're talking about.
That day, the guy mentioned that name. Yesterday, I heard same name again. Who is she?
Baby, remember that day you were drugged. So you cannot trust what is it you may have heard or seen.
Maybe he's right. Maybe this was a mistake. God, I am losing my mind. But...
Okay. I'm sorry. I just need to lay down.
Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shit.
Hey, you okay?
Yes.
Do you need anything? Wine? Juice?
No. I'm fine.
You don't want fish?
If I want anything, Niabong is here. She will help me out. I'm fine. Don't forget I still have to go to my office to tender my resignation later.
Yeah. Alright, I have to go to work then. See you when I'm back.
Yeah.
Promise me you won't think too much.
I'm fine.
No, I meant to say, I promise.
I promise.
See you. Bye. In your bum. What is going on now? I've been looking for you inside.
Oh, I'm sorry, Oka. I was cleaning the back of the house.
Go and ask Madame. Make sure you stay with her when I leave, okay?
Oh, yes.
Ask her whatever she needs and make sure you provide it for her. Stay close. Not when she calls you, you won't be anywhere to be found.
Oka, I'm funny about a door.
Where is
Emigwe, open the gate for Oka.
Chansa!
Benita. Benita. Is my mind playing tricks on me? But the name rings a bell. Yes, Uche. Uche has something to tell me. Definitely, he does. Hello? Uche? Please, can we see this afternoon? I know you are at work, but it's very urgent. Okay, thank you. I will text you the place. Okay. I have to do something. I just have to.
This will be the last time I will have this conversation with you in this house.
Ekene, have you ever considered if what you are asking me to do is affecting me? Have you?
Oh, spare me that emotional blackmail. Affected on what? Over an abortion that little girls do with ease.
Has anyone done it for you before?
And what was the meaning of that question?
Because you sounded so confident. This is 3 months old pregnancy we are talking about
and
here.
So what? And so what? That does not change the fact that what you're carrying is an unwanted pregnancy. Get that into your school.
My child is not an unwanted pregnancy. No child of mine is unwanted. I will give birth to this child whether you like it or not. I am not
That is not true.
How stupid was I to have allowed such a beautiful man like you out of my life?
Uche, you're here. I've been waiting for ages. Please sit.
All I see is still like this place. You should have waited for us to patch things up, you know.
Uche,
So, is your husband making you happy? I'm sorry I cheated on you the way I did then. You see, I regretted it every day. The next day, I got my posting letter. I sought for you everywhere. It tore my heart apart when I discovered both of you were together.
But you never came back. As a matter of fact, you left for London right immediately after your youth service.
Yes, living was beyond my control. You know, we had a plan in motion during our 100-level school days. Until I left. But now I am back. I know it's too late. But I still love you.
Uche,
You don't need to say anything. Okay? I don't expect you to leave him for me. Anyways, tell me the truth. Chizamekbere, are you happy in your marriage?
Mr. Kim, how are you?
Oh, doctor, I'm good.
Cleopatra, talk to me. How are you feeling now?
I don't feel any better. I'm feeling worse by the day. My system, everything.
It's alright. It's alright. I understand. But I want you to know that it's not the end. Okay? You can still have another one.
Doctor, what do you mean by that?
Doctor, I don't understand. What do you mean you can still have another?
The pregnancy. Cleo, I'm sorry, but you've lost it.
Doctor, no. No, doctor. Doctor, please don't say this, please. Tell me it's not true.
It's a pity, my dear, but that is the situation. I want you to be strong. All right? It's not the end.
No.
You will still be pregnant again. Mr. Kim, I want you to take a very good care of your wife. Okay? She needs you now.
Sure will. She's my wife after all. It's okay, doctor. Thank you so very much. It's okay, it's okay.
Do not touch me! You murderer! You have killed my child! I am using your dirty, bloody hands to touch me! Murderer! Murderer! Black murderer, that's what you are!
I'm sorry.
What? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. You were raped on your wedding night? Did you report to the police? Why not?
My husband said the deed had been done. And he wouldn't want me to keep living with police problems.
Rubbish! So you just sat there and watched them do this to you?
No. He was also tied up.
My God. You know, if I was there, I wouldn't mind being shot, trying to rescue you. I will do anything to save you. I'm sorry beyond words. I wish I was there to help you.
Cleo, you have to stop crying. Especially now. Jesus, how can I lose my own child in such a cruel manner? It hurts.
It's okay, stop crying.
It hurts, Jesus.
I know. I understand perfectly. But you see, crying solves nothing. Please, Stop crying. By the way, where is Ikem?
How would I know? Maybe he's probably somewhere jubilating. Because what he wanted has come to pass now. So he should be jubilating somewhere right now. Yeah.
I'm shocked Ikem could do this. How could he? But maybe it's not intentional.
What do you mean it's not intentional? He has gotten what he wanted. So it's none of my business if it's intentional or not. It is fault.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
It is fault.
Stop crying.
So you don't understand.
Okay.
Your own husband made you lose your own share.
I understand.
So you don't understand. My husband pushed me and I fell down.
But you know, crying cannot solve anything. Please, stop
He
crying.
pushed me, I fell down and I lost my baby. My own husband. Okay. I did this and I said that now, yeah, I will understand. My husband pushed me.
Sorry. Sorry.
Who else knows about this?
Just my therapist.
You told no one else? So, why did you choose to tell me about it?
Chi, please, I need your help.
I will, my love, okay? Just go ahead.
Who is Benita?
Benita, the girl we discussed about. Are you sure that was the name you heard?
Yes. Yes. I don't know. For some reason, I have not been able to discuss this at length with my husband. I don't know why I keep having this fear of confronting him. I don't know.
Come on, Ken, what's up? Why are you not drinking? Man, you seem bothered. Like, seriously. Come on, what is sulking you?
I am not sulking.
Then what's with this childish behavior? Come on, Ikem, you're bigger than this now. You big past this thing now, what you do now? Baba, you big pass am. What's up?
Yes, I do. But I don't want it this way. I wanted her to do it herself.
But she doesn't want to do it. See, man, your wife is hell-bent on keeping this pregnancy against your wish. I believe it's for good.
It is. But I don't want her to see me as a killer.
What does it matter? Kim, come on. See, the end point here is that you are able to achieve what you wanted. No matter what anybody say, not even your wife matters in this case. My guy, anything where anybody want talk, to me, it don't make sense at all. It don't make sense.
It does, my friend. There is something you do not understand in this whole thing. I am trying to avoid certain things because of certain things. And my wife is seeing me as a murderer. That's a red sign, bro. A red sign.
Ekene, you're getting me all confused here. I don't understand any bit of all you just said now. What do you mean by you want to avoid certain things because of certain things?
Never mind.
Man, guy, drink up. See, everything gets solution. In this case, solution must come out. Come on, are you now? I trust you now. We can.
Yes. Where did you go? Today is Saturday and you know I need you here with me.
I'm sorry. I got a call from the guy fixing the supermarket for us. So I want to see how the job is going. You were sleeping when I left. I didn't want to wake you up.
You are already working on that?
Yeah. I actually wanted to surprise you, but I guess it's no longer a surprise. I spoiled it.
You are the best. I mean, I got the best man as a husband. Thank you.
You should be happy. How are you?
I'm pushing.
Okay, get ready. We are going to meet Uche at the pool bar. I really don't know why he loves that place so much. He said he has some emotional attachment to that place, just like you.
Yes. A misery, I would say. So are we meeting up this afternoon?
Oh yes, from the pool bar, go to the cinema. And guess what? He's coming with his girlfriend. So it's going to be fun.